last I beg of you to accept this little gift to your grace from someone as low as me, a token of love in hope of getting a glimpse of you, then spending my days and nights with you for eternity. A word of praise for the praised, oh you the praiseworthy one, a praise unfit for your highness, beauty and majesty, and even though it can never reach the height of your rank, it can be reached by your hand of limitless charity. Mawlaya salli wa sallim